What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. On this episode, I'm running electricity from the chicken coop to power my newly installed well and hope to finally have running water at the property. Now let's get to work. First, I rented a Barretto 24-inch trencher from Home Depot, which helps me dig down to about 20 inches to run the 10-2 direct burial UF wire. Now I'm actually running one line of 10-2 and one line of 12-2 UF wire. The 12-2 will be used for an outdoor receptacle to have power somewhere other than the chicken coop. My advice for folks renting a similar trencher would be to have the rental facility walk you through how the machine works, as well as the unloading and loading process. This seems obvious, but just take your time to listen to any tips and tricks the rental company has to make sure you hit the ground running. My other piece of advice would be to have a spotter with you to help keep your line straight, and while the machine does do most of the work, you will have to use some force to keep it going where you want it to go. So I was actually trying to do some work out by the wellhead as far as finishing up the electric goes, and unfortunately it started to rain out, so went ahead and came into the chicken house and finished up the wiring. Well, I say finished up, check it out. So I basically just got it all buried and ran up into the main panel here, but still a lot of work to do. But that's where I'm gonna wrap it up for today. All right, so we're back at the property today, and it's all dry now, so I can actually start working back at the wellhead side. So let me show you what we've got going on today. So I've already ran my 10-2 into this conduit, and we're basically attaching 10-2 into the electrical connection here. I've got the well pump set up here, so now I'm going to go back into the breaker panel and go ahead and get all of that stuff connected, and hopefully we'll have some water today. All right, so I'm back over here at the main panel. This 10-2 wire is extremely tough to work with. It's just very rigid, but I'm going to try to do this box justice, make it look as good as I can in here, and then we can go test the well water. All right, so I got the main panel wired in with the 30 amp for the well pump. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the breaker on. Hopefully it doesn't flip right back off, and then we're gonna ride over and see if we actually got water. So let's do this. All right, main panel is on. All right, let's go to see if this actually works. All right, so I can already tell we've got power directly to the well. We're already up at 50 psi here, so I'm pretty confident this is going to work. Yes, this project is done. All right, everybody, so we got the well up and running. That takes care of this project. Stay tuned for more projects on the property here.